everybody, Someone Girly here, and my second sticky unboxing for the month because this is the pop back, which is different than the cute pack. Just a reminder that I am visually impaired, so I will be using reader glasses and the zoom on my camera to be able to see fine details, especially with the stickers because they can be quite small. If you see anything that I don't, or if you want to point something out, go ahead and throw it in the comments. We got some background noise going on because I got the window open because it is a nice day and I wanted some fresh air. So let's get to opening. I'm hoping by doing my spiel a little bit faster, it'll be okay instead of me, babbling for endless minutes. All right, so we've got our sticker folio here that comes with every package, and our theme sticker right here that I'm going to zoom in on. I'm going to zoom in closer because I can't see, but the Good Green Life. Oh, okay, so like cottage core stuff maybe. I'm gonna start guessing at these if I don't actually know it. Like if it's obvious, I can't. All right, looks like our stationary item for this month is going to be a clear stamp, and wow, that took a long time to open. Here we go. No, I should have stopped filming for that, but whatever. Okay, it comes with in between two pieces of, like, I don't know what to call it, plastic. Keep this because it'll cover it and protect it, especially if you've got ink on it and you didn't clean it off yet. And the back side of this is sticky, so it sticks to that. So what do you got here? Looks like an, oh, that's nice, an envelope. Like, like you're sending mail. I send mail. All right, here is our last stationary item before the stickers, or sometimes it's not, but whatever. It's a notepad. Here is the maker's mark on the back. And what have we got? Ooh. Ooh. It is a whole, oh, I always wanted, like, I know that they damage houses sometimes too, but I always wanted a house that was completely covered in, like, ivy and vines and stuff. Like, maybe not this big, but like, an older, like, red brick home or something. I don't know how to explain it, but oh, look at that. I'm going to show that one last because it's cool. This one here, we got some, can you see that? Maybe if I turn, oh, wait, no, you can see it here. Okay. Like, it's got some foiling to it. I love foiling. Like a niffler. Don't protrude, oh, don't worry if you don't know what a niffler is. You can look it up, but yeah, there we go. Okay, so what do we got here? We're gonna get a little closer. We have a very nice young lady who is saying organic, I think. Oh, I like the style of this. It's almost like someone had drawn it and then, like, colored it in with like a marker or something. These are cute. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean for my voice to go that high. Oh, I am so in love with this lady. Young lady, I want to say. Yeah. Oh my goodness, this is adorable. I like that. Here's the maker's mark. Oop, it's also gold foiling, so I gotta tilt it this way so you don't run into that issue. I'm gonna stay zoomed in just so I can see. Oh, notepad came with me. Okay. We have got, oh, more of the houses from the notepad. Oh, they're so gorgeous. Again, would love like a 2-story, 1-story where it's covered in vines, has a little greenhouse. Car that doesn't have a muffler. That's pretty. I always wanted a cuckoo clock, but they're so expensive. Even if they're like reproductions of ones or like ones off of Amazon. All right, here's the maker's mark again for that person. And this looks like the house from the front of the notepad, including this little area here. Like you could put them together. But there they are. So pretty. I don't know what happened to my voice there. What we got here? We have got, for a second there, I was like, is that, are those, is that an octopus? Okay, so it looks like a shop maybe? And then there's like green around on the top of it. Is that a hot dog? It's probably not. Oh, okay. Okay, here's from it. This is from the theme sticker. Oh, these are so pretty. Like plants growing out of everything. This aesthetic, I love it. I just wish I had a greener thumb. And I'm gonna say, okay, so their Instagram is right there above the stickii.com. Oh, wait. Oh, and their little Maker's Mark sticker. These are so pretty. I like that one. Yeah. Okay, and this one is from the same person. Different shapes though. They look like actual pottery, but like scenes inside them. I like when we receive stickers like this. Like 2 months ago, there was ones that was all like Japanese foods, but like they were Japanese shops. Oh, here's from the. Oh, she also made the stamp then. Japanese shops that looked like they were food, but you could see inside. Like there was a scene. Like here's what do they call them? A terrarium kind of thing. Oh, these are cute. Oh, so adorable. Okay, now, yeah, let's turn that one around so we can look at our clear ones. Okay, this one here looks just like, oh, I see what these are. These are actually tabs. What you do is you peel it. It goes from here to here. And then where you're going to use it as, like on the edge of a page, you put part of it on the page and then fold it so that it folds at this mark here. So they're tabs and they look like they're all different kinds of greenery. Currently right now my stamps for my letters are succulents, and I think those are so cute. And then we got our mark down here. These are cute. I like that. I like tabs. Gotta tab everything. Put tabs on stuff. Need to mark where I put my stuff. Alright, this one here. Oh, that's so pretty. I like that. Daisies are one of my favorite flowers. 100%. This looks like stuff that you would fill a room with, maybe. That looks like a quill, almost. Could be a quill. Just can't tell. I like this. Oh, these are fun. Like, I love little stickers because, like, around bigger stickers, when you're trying to do a planner and stuff like that, you can kind of fill in the empty space and make it look more cohesive. Like, I'm not really sure what I mean, but at the same time. Tiger lilies are also a favorite flower of mine. I like this sticker, you know, with her facing away. You can't exactly see her face. She's in the wind. Inkwell. I like that. I like it a lot. Okay, this one here is they kind of remind me of, I've said it a couple times because we keep getting these stickers that you would put on like a gift, where you would write to somebody, to like from somebody else, or you could put them in your planner and then just write like a little side note or put something cute in these spaces. But these go along with the last stickers that I just showed. They're feathers for sure. I don't know if they're quills, but they're adorable. Here's the Maker's Mark again for that person. Oh, they're so sweet. I wish I could grow plants. All right, now the last one, I'm gonna put it over this. Oh, it's hollow. It's holographic. All right. Just plant. Just wait. Just the rainbow you see, it's getting in the way of what I'm trying to see. Just ain't the arts. Does it say ain't? Like ain't? Oh, ant. Instant. It's instant, isn't it? Instant. The arts. I think. I can't. I'm really sorry. But there's something there. There's something like, it's so shiny and pretty though. I'm hoping that that's not going to get in the way of you seeing this. I'm seeing this full on like bookcase kind of thing here, and this is That's a big sticker. Oh my goodness. Here, look. Holy moly. That is a big sticker. Wow. Okay. In love with that. I love that we got such a big sticker. What am I going to put that on? It's not going to fit in my planner. Wow. These are... Whoa. Who is the artist for this? Was it... No, that's Stickii Club. It must be this up here. No Show Latte? Snow Latte? Snow Latte. Wow. Wow. And there's the Instagram. Thank you. Instant hearts. Oh my God. They're hearts. Like people hearts. I was like, why does that look like a, like inside of a body kind of heart? Not the, you know, the burp heart. I love these though. I love them all. I love the plants. I, again, wish I could grow plants, but I can't. And you've heard that for the 4th time now. But what do we think? I mean, I'm in love with these. So thank you very much for coming along. And I will see you in my next video.